Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony. Let's make some curried fish. And I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates. But it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. The first time I had curried fish, I was pleasantly surprised because it tasted so good. I never thought we could curry fish because I thought in order to use curry, you have to be cooking it for a long time in order for you to have it and not get an upset stomach. But curry is just another spice, and if you overuse it, then you'll have an upset stomach. So I have decided to show you how I curry my fish and how curried fish can be very tasty. If you want to see me do this, then continue watching. Now, my fish is already washed and clean, and if you're going to curry it, I'd advise you get a firm fish. This is a coca fish I've used. You can use any other fish except salmon, because salmon is a bit too soft. And next, I'll be using some dry Italian herb. Here I have a combination of seasoning. I mixed everything together and put it in an empty bottle. And over here we have garlic and ginger paste. Down here I have 2 tablespoons of curry powder. And now this is optional. I have 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, but I like the flavor that it gives to my curry. Here now I'll be using a potato, and what is curry without potato? An onion, some bell pepper, and this is a scotch bonnet. Some scotch bonnet I'll be using, some garlic cloves, thyme, and some pimento berries. Now in my combination bottle, I'm going to add a teaspoon of the curry because I'm going to season the fish with some of the curry. I want the fish to taste like curry, and not only the sauce but also the fish. Now I'm going to season and I'm going to sprinkle. Remember now, fish is delicate. You don't want to be rubbing, you want to sprinkle it. Now we bring what is at the bottom to the top, and we do the same. Now after you have seasoned, let it rest for 15 minutes. The fish is resting, so prepare our vegetables. Now I have some oil in my pan, and I have enough oil to fry the fish. Slightly fry the fish. We don't want a crisp fry. We just want to feel the seasoning in the fish, so we're just slightly fried. And this prevents it from breaking apart when you curry it, when you finish cooking it. No, you don't have to cut your fish so small. You can leave it as a whole or make it a bit bigger. But this is my preferred method. Just a minute on each side. So, we don't want it to fry dry, we just want to feel the seasoning, just a minute. Yeah. And as soon as the other side gets to this color, we just take it out. No more than about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we remove them from the pot. We don't want it to be crisp, yeah? Now in our same pan, after we remove some of the oil, we're going to fry off our potato. Now this is where we're going to create the sauce now for the fish. In the same pot, you add your potato and allow it to fry for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, we add our onion and our bell pepper. And we allow that to cook also. Now at this point, it's time to add my curry powder. And this is the only time I fry my curry in the oil. This is the only time. I've added some garlic and green seasoning. Get that blended in. Now I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning I have on the plate. And it's nice to use the fresh garlic because it gives such a better taste than those store-bought ones. So that's why I use these cloves. I'm adding about a cup of boiling water. Make sure your water is boiling, yeah? And then the coconut cream. Now, as I said, this is optional, but I just like the flavor it gives. Now we'll not add any more seasoning because when you add the fish and you taste the sauce, then you'll know if you need seasoning. Remember, we had seasoned the fish. So we're going to allow this to fry for boil for about 5 minutes. Now I'm adding a half a spoon of dry herb. It has rosemary and other herbs. After cooking for about 7 minutes, we're going to add the fish now. We're adding the bony pieces like the head first and then the fleshy piece at top. Now I'm going to cover and allow it to steam. Ten minutes after, finish and the fish is steamed. Now we can turn our stove off. Now here you have it, curried fish. Another delicious way to prepare your fish. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.